The video is a guide for replacing the tsdz8 controller. The accessory we need will be new controller. Tools we need will be Allen key set, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, insulation tester. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove 5M4 self-tapping screws on chain ring cover. Then remove chain ring cover. Use 4mm Allen key to remove 5M5 screws on the chain ring. Then remove chain ring. Use 3mm Allen key to remove 3M4 screws outside controller. You can use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the controller cover, but do not remove the controller yet. Disconnect internal connectors one by one. Then remove the controller. Connect internal connectors of the new controller. Organize wiring, avoid pinching or exposure, to prevent wires damage from controller cover edge. Install controller's waterproof gasket properly. Securely fasten controller cover. Use 3mm Allen key to tighten 3M4 screws outside controller. Test insulation using insulation tester. Higher resistance indicates better insulation. Install chain ring. Then use 4mm Allen key to tighten 5M5 screws. Tighten screws diagonally. Attach chain ring cover on top of chain ring and flip it over. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten 5M4 self-tapping screws. Tighten screws diagonally. Complete.